Very good morning, all of you. Today, I'm going to discuss with you on synergy and types of synergy. Before going to take up discussion of synergy and types of synergy, I want to recap what actually we have studied in last session. We have studied in last session methods of restructuring like merger, acquisition, takeover, strategic alliance, and different types of retrenchment strategies. These are the methods of corporate restructuring, facilitates organization to create synergy in all the areas. In fact, the business is to make the profit. I mean, business come out with the purpose of to earn and some rate of return on investment. In order to realize this, the business organization require synergy in all areas. I mean, the synergy is require production area, marketing area, HR area, and also other functions like finance and R&D. And the what is synergy? And what are the types of synergy? And why synergy? How does synergy is really strengthening the organization to prove better than others as far as different activities of business are concerned? How does synergy is helping the organization to make more profit and to survival for long time in a particular line of business. Today's discussion helps us to answer these questions. First of all, I want to say what is synergy. In ordinary sense, synergy means gain or benefit or favorable the conditions that are avail to business community to perform or to make the more profit, that is called as synergy. But as far as individual is concerned, the synergy means whenever we are able to utilize our ability properly and right time, that is also create the favorable conditions to individual to achieve their objectives or achieve their goals. And however, in business literature, synergy is different. In business literature, synergy means 3 plus 3 equal to 7, not 4. I mean, the combined efforts are yielding more better result than the individual effort. That is known as synergy. In fact, 3 plus 3 equal to 6. But in business literature, we are saying 3 plus 3 equal to 7. I mean, once any organization that joining with other organization, the overall capabilities of the organization is increasing in all area, production related area, marketing related area, or even the finance related area and R&D related area. As a result of this, the organization able to improve their overall ability, that turn to get the benefit or that turn to have the synergy at different level. This is called as synergy. In other words, synergy means it is a environment, or it is a condition that avail in business organization because of what? Because of proper combined and rational effort of different organization. That is called as synergia. All of you might be aware, uh, individual effort is not larger than combined effort, or one hand is not better than two hand. So once we put together two hand and then undertake something, definitely the uh, force may be more, no? The power may be more. Like that, the synergy, anything but what? It is a benefit that is taking place in organization because of what? Because of a combined effort, and because of availability of resources, because of some other things like once organization merge with other organization, the organization have many strength, that is really helping the organization to do better than others are. For example, suppose X organization merge with Y organization, and individually the X organization value is 200 lakh, and Y organization value is 100 lakh before merger. After merger, it is expected amounting 330 lakhs. So synergy is 30 lakhs. I mean, before merger, together X and Y organization value is 200 plus 100 lakh. Therefore, 300. And after merger, expected 330 lakhs. So 300 minus 330 minus 330 lakhs minus 300 lakhs. The remaining is 30 lakh. 30 lakh is the synergy. I hope all of you clear the what is synergy. From this, it is very obvious that synergy nothing but what it is a benefit that is availed in business organization as a result of undertaking different the actions and rationally. I mean, whenever organization having right the mode of strategy, or whenever organization having appropriate the decisions that facilitates organization to get the benefit, that is called as synergy. There are different types of synergies are there. First one is market synergy. As you know very well, after production, the most important job of the business organization is the marketing. Any లేకున్నా the organization having, as far as marketing is concerned, the organization failing to make the profit, failing to generate the revenue, failing to uh, facilitates the production department to produce product again and again, or more and more. So as a result of merger and acquisition, uh, the organization able to create the synergy in marketing activities also. All of you might be aware, to marketing of goods and services are concerned, different things are required. Maybe adequate manpower is required, adequate technology is required, appropriate strategies are required, and even the organization is required to rationalize the marketing cost. But once merger taking place, or takeover taking place, or amalgamation taking place, the overall ability of the organization is increases in terms of what? In terms of capital, in terms of knowledge, or in terms of manpower, or in terms of the experience, and overall strength is increases. As a result of that, the organization is able to marketing their goods and services easily at different places, because the any organization wants to marketing their product at different places within the country, out of the country. The organization require adequate resources. These resources are available to organization after the merger, because once any organization merge with other organization, the overall strength of the organization is increasing. So the hypothesis of as far as marketing synergies are concerned is that uh, it occurs due to effective marketing system and strategies, because marketing deals with different marketing activities. So along with this, in fact organization require the strength, because whatever the strategies organization having, suppose organization not have strength, is it really helping the organization to get the benefit, to create the favorable condition as far as marketing of goods and services are concerned? That is not especially, that is not ensure, or that is not possible. So it occurs to effective marketing system and strategies. Marketing synergy come out from marketing activities because of what? Because of the strength of the organization, and along with that marketing strategies and the marketing effective marketing functions. And after merger, the performing marketing activities properly, it also leads synergy. I mean, the once merger taking place, the overall the ability of the organization is better than the individual effort. As a result of this, the organization able to expand their activities, and organization is able to ensure appropriate marketing strategies like proper advertising. As you know very well, to do the advertising we require money, and to expand the business we require the money, or to open the branches for selling of goods and services in other countries, it's require money. So a merger and acquisition facilitates the organization to do these things properly. As a result of this, the organization is able to create the marketing strategy. And in fact, the marketing strategy that taking place in organization by uh, taking right decision about marketing mix, and selections of appropriate mode of distribution, and appropriate marketing segment, and even creating brand loyalty, creating happy customers, and having appropriate customer care, I mean customer relationship management, and reducing overall cost of marketing, and even appropriate advertising, and appropriate price for product. And these are the things no facilitates organization to create the synergy or create the benefit. Next is revenue synergy. This is also another important type of synergy. This may arise after merger, or even sometime before merger also may be there in organization, because of what? Because of effectiveness of organization, or individually, sometime individual organization have more the ability. That is also maybe helping organization to create revenue synergy. And revenue synergy, what is revenue? Revenue, nothing but whatever the goods and services produced by organization, suppose from that organization is getting something that is called as revenue. I mean, the economic activity meant for to make the profit. For that, organization required to produce the product. After producing product, that should be sell. Whatever sales made by the organization, from that, whatever the organization get, that is called as revenue. So revenue synergy when arise, and how does revenue synergy is really helping the organization to do better than others? Because whenever organization having strategies like merger, once merger taking place, the technological abilities increases, production abilities increases, manpower the ability also increases, financial ability also increases. As a result of this, the organization is able to acquire latest technology, and organization thinking to expand their business and producing large scale production. As a result of producing large scale production, the cost of the organization come down, because whatever large scale production taking place, fixed cost remains same. And as a result of this, the organization is able to offer goods and services at less price. I mean, competitive price. So that is really helping the organization to get more revenue, or a revenue synergy maybe the available in the organization now. For example, if company X had, if company, uh, X company had revenue of rupees 700 million, and company Y had revenue of rupees 90 million. After combined, no, the revenue was expected to climb to 820 million. And before merger, the both company revenue was 700 plus 90, 790 million. But after merger, expected to 820 million. So synergy is what? Synergy is revenue synergy is 30 the million now. So here also the same principle because the as far as merger and acquisition or combined effort are concerned, combined efforts are yielding the better result than the individual effort. And cost synergy. This is also very, very important. All of you might be aware. The cost is the factor that decide the fate of the organization. I mean, whenever organization having the ability to cut down the cost, minimize the cost, rationalize the cost, uh, definitely that is create the revenue, or create the synergy. Because the cost, no, once we rationalize the cost, once we able to minimize the cost in all area, as a result of that, organization able to minimize its overall cost. Once overall cost come down, of course, it has one impact on the price of the product. Once price may be rational, appropriate, the organization has big opportunity to attract the customer, sell the product, and keep the happy all customers. And customers also is come forward to use the product, and even they are saying the product is good, product is having, the product is worth according to the price. Okay, like that. So cost synergy is concerned. After merger, the organization ability may be increasing like anything. And same time, the organization that are taking right the decisions about the activities of the organization. That is base for create cost synergy. And how does cost synergy arise in organization? Uh, Generally, no. Once merger taking place, sometime the organization not require more manpower, because duplications may be taking place. Once X organization merge with Y organization, whatever X organization having, same things also maybe Y organization may be there. So after merger, the organization have opportunity to reduce the staff. As a result of this, manpower cost come down, and reductions of fixed cost. Already I said, whenever organization having decision like this, as a result of this, the ability of organization increasing like anything, this turn to undertake large scale production. Large scale production minimizes the fixed cost. This is facilitates organization to reduce the cost. Once cost may be reduced by organization, this is really the changing the uh, ability of the organization, or it has own impact as far as the performance of the organization are the concern now. And rationalizing transportation cost also may be possible as a result of rationalizing, having appropriate the strategies relating to transportation of goods and services. I mean, that selling goods and services are for transferring goods from one place to another place. Suppose organization have the better the strategies as far as this is concerned. Of course, it is helping the organization to minimize the transportation cost and reducing professional services or fees and reducing cost through exchange of best adoptions of best practices. These are the some important things helping the organization to create the cost synergy. The cost synergy may be differ from organization to organization, and what the things hold good as far as cost synergy are concerned in non-trading organization like university or colleges, but that is not same the manufacturing organization or organization are actively involved in production of product or selling a product like that. But the cost synergy taking place in any organization because of what? Because of rationalizing the cost of organization. So this is very, very essential. Even it is applicable to individual like me and like you, because of what we are also required money. We are also required to spend money for different purposes. Whenever we have that rational actions, rational things as far as the spending of money are concerned, this turn to save the money. This is also called as synergy, because once we save the money, that may be helping us or that is available for future requirements. So that is called as synergy. I hope all of you clear what is cost synergy. A cost synergy, nothing but it is a benefit. It occur because of what? Because of proper the strategies uh, the organization having as far as rationalizing the cost are concerned. And next is financial synergy. Many times I pronounced, and you also know very well, finance is the blood of business. How does blood is require the human being like me? The finance is very much essential to business organization. Without the finance, there is no moment of business functions or activities. So finance synergy, nothing but what it is a synergy that is available in any organization because of what? Because of many reasons. Of course, merger, takeover, and strategic alliance. These are the things ensures organization to improve the financial ability of organization. But at the same time, the organization is having the plan of actions as far as the to how to raise the means what type of finance should be raised from whom and why should be raised. These are the things no the organization able to decide with the help of what with the help of the financial strategy. I mean, what I'm going to tell here, once organization have appropriate the strategies as far as the financial affairs are concerned, as a result of this, the organization able to minimize the financial cost. Once financial costs come down, there is a opportunity to create financial synergy. In fact, the financial synergy emerged because of what? Because of raising finance at appropriate cost, proper utilizations of available financial resources, and right investment decisions. Uh, right investment decisions and proper working capital management. All of you might be aware the working capital is a capital which is required to meet the day-to-day obligation. Uh, Excess working capital also not helping the organization because excess working capital leads more financial cost. Inadequate working capital leads ineffectiveness of organization to meet the day-to-day obligations of the customer. So the once organization having appropriate financial strategy, as a result of this, the organization is able to create financial that synergy. As a result of this, the organization is able to do better as far as business activities are concerned. Next is operational synergy. Operational synergy, the name itself implies operational, nothing but what it involves series of activity. Suppose organization have rationality as far as operational activities are concerned. Of course, operations means in fact it is productions of product or rendering of services. In order to production of product or rendering of services, different things are required. Maybe raw material is required, and some other supporting things are required. The machinery is required, and even organization has to do assembling and storing, and many other even organization required to spend many other things are. But once organization having appropriate operational strategies, no, this turn to proper utilizations of operational resources. It helps the organization to perform operational functions the properly. As a result of that, the organization able to create operational the synergy. So operational synergy also benefiting organization to come forward or to make profit like that. And another type of synergy is management synergy. This is also very important as far as organization are concerned, because organization has to do many things. For that, management is required. For that, the organization has to do different activities to get work from the employees, and to keep all customers happy, and to keep all stakeholders happy. So, and then the management should ensure smooth running of all business activities. So without having these things, is it really helping the organization to make the profit? That is not possible. Therefore, management synergy nothing but what? It is a synergy that avail to any organization because of what? Because of efficient management. Efficient management based on what? Based on many things. Among different things, adequate funds are required as a result of merger. The funds may be, I mean, there is no problem in organization as far as funds are concerned, manpower are concerned. But things is what the organization should rationalize utilizations of manpower, allocations of work, appropriate plan of action as far as manpower activities are concerned, and to ensure coordination among different activities and ensure appropriate strategies at a different level by the management. Because the management, no, the management require to ensure proper allocations of resources, proper plan of actions, and proper decisions, and should make the appropriate vision and mission, and should ensure scientific activities at all level. That leads to uh, improve the effectiveness of organization. Whatever it is, as a result of competent and qualified manpower, synergy may be arises as a result of proper utilizations of manpower, synergy that taking place in organization, and scientific management practices also leads the synergy, and reductions of overall cost of management also leads the synergy. And last is the outcome of synergy. From the earlier discussion, it is very obvious that synergy is a benefit that taking place because of combined effort, as well as because of appropriate the practices in the organization. Because merger, they argued that, I mean, as far as the earlier research are concerned, once merger taking place, merger yield better result than the earlier. I mean, individual effort not better than the combined effort, because all of you having experience in that combined effort create more power, create more confidence, create more the favorable condition as far as business organization are concerned. As a result of this, the organization have a better chance to do the better that activities as far as particular business activities are concerned. And what are the outcomes of synergy? Already I said there are many outcomes. Because first you take your own example. Suppose if you have uh, the synergy, what are the outcome? You have more competitive advantages for others, no? As far as to achieving your goals are concerned. So like that, as a result of different synergy in organization, there are many good outcomes, like improve the competitive ability of organization. This is very, very important. We are in the era of globalization. There is no restriction as far as uh, undertaking economic activities by any organization. Every day, number of organization is that entering and exiting. But only the once enter into business activities, once we have the competitive ability, we are able to compete with competitor, we are able to remain with activities, we are able to remain with the particular business activities. And therefore, improving as a result of synergy, this is improving the competitive ability of organization and helping to get advantages for others. This is also very essential because whenever we have better the performance than others, of course, it is ensure competitive advantage. As a result of merger and acquisition, at the beginning I said, competitive that manpower ability increase, machinery abilities increases, technological capabilities also increases, and financial abilities also increases. So whenever we are better than others as far as these things are concerned, of course, it is helping the organization to get the advantages for others. Once we have advantages for others, we are able to make differences in all area. And so this is helping organization to acquire more market share and earn more profit and expand the business. Okay, like that. And improving goodwill of the organization. This is also very important as far as any business activity or business organization are concerned. Uh, as a result of performing better business activities, the organization satisfy the requirement of consumers. Once organization satisfy the requirement of customers or society, the organization name may be increase. I mean, the organization name. What I'm going to tell here, the organization have good image in the mind of people or in the eyes of people. As a result of that, the organization able to carry good name, and that name itself is helping the organization to sell the product or make the profit like that. And as a result of synergy, the organization able to attain different objectives of organization, and and also synergy helps the organization to survival and get success in a particular line of business. I hope all of you clear what I have discussed so far as. I have discussed briefly about synergy and types of synergy. Before going to conclude, I want to recap once again what I have discussed. Today, I have discussed with you synergy and types of synergy. From this, it is very obvious that synergy plays a vital role in any organization. Generally, synergy emerged because of what? Because of whenever we are better than others as far as all activities are concerned. Suppose organization not having any problem with capital are concerned, manpower are concerned, skills are concerned, knowledge are concerned, experience are concerned. So once merger taking place, no, the overall the ability of the organization is increases. As a result of this, the organization is able to create the synergy. Once organization have synergy, this may be turned to make more profit. This may be turned to prove better than others, or this may be turned to survive a long time in a particular line of business. Uh, I hope all of you clear the what I have discussed so far as. Thank you.